So in this video today, I'll be showing you how our blowing machine works here at Samsave factory. So if you follow our Instagram page, you must have seen our blowing machine. It's that machine we use in creating our plastic bottles. And you know, there's a mold for 35cl, there's a mold for 75cl. So I'll be showing you a full tutorial on how the machine works and how we use it here in the factory. I'll be sharing more videos on everything that happens here at Samsave factory. And if you are thinking of starting your own water production factory, subscribe to the channel because we'll be dropping a lot of content that will help you.
75cl mold. I've already spent the 75cl now to 35cl. Look at it, 35cl now. You change it now. Now this one now, this here now, this mold is 35cl mold now. From there, this valve you see at the back. All this valve here is this chiller that control the heating element of the mold. Because of if the mold get full hot, this chiller now will make the bottle to look nice and chill off. Look at the pipe here. I've already fixed the pipe here. That is chiller's pipe to make the mold to look cool.
Okay.
This one now is the sensors.
Okay.
Without this man now, this man cannot work.
That's the one showing red lights there. Bro.
Yeah, that is the sensors.
Okay.
Without it now, this machine now cannot pick. And the mode now we get now. The mode has the own setting. That is, we call this one now parameter settings.
Okay.
We all the closing mode and delay and S blow, blowing and freeze and look at the closing mode now. Look at the settings here. And the delay. Look at the settings here and S blow and the blow and the free again.
Okay. But can you explain to us what each of this function means? Like the delay and the S blowing.
Okay, the closing mode now to make the mode to close very well. Stand up. If I turn off this closing mode now, so you get, I can make it to be fast, I can make it to be slow. And this one again, the delay too, also, I can delay closing mode to blow very nice and faster. This one, this S blow now is the air. It's the control of the air. So you get, if I want to make the air now to blow very fast and strong, I will increase the settings here. And the blowing too also, same thing. It's working with this S blowing.
Okay.
So you get, understand?
So there's a required settings for each mode.
Setting, yeah.
Okay. So I can see feeding through there, right? Feeding, spare, open mode, blowing mode.
Okay. This one now is the manual.
Okay.
So you look at this here, manual and semi-auto. This one is the manual now. I can operate it manually. Close, stressful road, the air, and the air blow. Understand? Now, if I want to turn this semi-auto now, I will turn it like this, and I'll put my machine here.
Yeah, semi-automatic.
It's working automatically.
Okay.
You put it here. If I want to put it, and again, this stopping switch is the emergency stop in case of issue. Now, if issue comes down, if I want to blow down, take it over.
Okay.
That is it.
Emergency stop.
In case of issue, come on. Just press it. The machine will just stop working. one now is our eating machine. So yes, is our eating machine now. Now this eating machine now is really we call this man here preform.
Okay.
Look at it here. Is the preform. For there we put it inside here. Not put it for there. The heating machine now will make it very soft. That's what from there we put it inside the blowing machine, and then the machine will blow it this size.
So this is it before it becomes a bottle.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you very much for this small lecture.
Today I will break the machine for you guys to see how the machine works.
Okay.
What the A16 number just
So there is a particular settings depending on the preform you are using.
In the morning. But you need to increase your temperature because the weather is cool. Like in the afternoon, like around 1 or 2, you know your temperature because the weather is hot.
So these are the preforms.
Yeah. So now I'm about to blow the bottom. You know, if the machine is set or not. If the machine is not set, yeah, I will send the machine.
Okay. So these are 35 cl bottles.